How to change YouTube language and country settings. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to launch YouTube application and make sure your app is up to date. Now tap on profile icon at bottom right corner of your screen and then navigate to gear icon at top right to access the settings section. From here, you need to tap on general option and tap on app language. Currently, it has been set to English language. You can easily scroll down to all languages and choose any one according to your convenience. For me, it's English, so I have set to English. After that, your language will be successfully changed. To change the country, you need to come back to the same settings section and tap General again. Now tap on Location. And here you can easily choose any language of your choice where you reside and tap on the circle which is next to it. And after that, you will successfully change YouTube language and country settings. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.